In today's video, I am going to teach you how to access Zoho Commerce by Zoho CRM. If you already use Zoho CRM and you want a simple way to reach Zoho Commerce from within the same environment, this walkthrough will help you get there quickly. Follow along at your own pace and keep an eye on the navigation elements that appear in the top part of your screen. First, log into Zoho CRM. Go to your Zoho CRM login page, enter your usual account credentials, and complete any sign-in steps required by your organization. Once you are successfully inside Zoho CRM, make sure you are viewing the main dashboard or the standard CRM home area because the app navigation you need will be accessible from there. Next, click the app switcher, which is the 9 dots icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This icon is designed to let you move between different Zoho applications without having to manually search for each one. Look closely at the top left area, and when you see the 9 dots, select it. After you click it, a list of available Zoho apps will open in a menu. Now you will select Zoho Commerce from the list of available Zoho applications. In the menu that appears, scan for the entry labeled Zoho Commerce. When you find it, click Zoho Commerce. At this point, you are telling Zoho that you want to open the Commerce application, and it will launch in a new view or new tab, depending on your setup. After you open Zoho Commerce, pay attention to what happens next, especially if this is your first connection. If you are connecting for the first time, you will need to configure the integration settings inside Zoho Commerce. So open Zoho Commerce and look for the settings option, which uses the gear icon. Selecting the gear icon is the next step because it is where Zoho collects integration controls and other configuration choices. With the settings area open in Zoho Commerce, you will now select Zoho CRM under Integrations. You may need to scroll slightly or look for a section specifically labeled Integrations. This is important because the goal is to link commerce to the CRM system you are currently using. Once you locate the integrations option, choose Zoho CRM so the system knows which application you want to connect. Next, click Connect. This action initiates the authorization flow between Zoho Commerce and Zoho CRM. After you select Connect, the system will prompt you to choose your Zoho CRM organization from the list. Take a moment to review the organization options that appear because you want to select the one that matches the CRM account you logged into. Finally, choose your Zoho CRM organization from the list and confirm the connection. Once the correct organization is selected, proceed with the confirmation shown on screen. This final selection completes the integration, allowing Zoho Commerce to recognize and work with your Zoho CRM environment. After the connection finishes, you can return to Zoho Commerce as needed, knowing it is properly linked to your CRM, and that covers everything you need to know. You have the steps to move from Zoho CRM to Zoho Commerce using the app switcher, and you have the setup process to connect Zoho Commerce with Zoho CRM the first time. And that is all there is to it.